George Washington, renowned for his legendary physical strength and iron constitution, suffered from severe dental issues throughout his life. Despite his enduring image as a robust leader, Washington's dental problems began at a young age and continued to plague him until his death. This detailed exploration will delve into the origins, treatments, and broader implications of Washington's dental woes, debunking myths and shedding light on the lesser-known aspects of his life. Washington's dental issues began early. At the age of 24, he paid 5 shillings to a Dr. Watson to have a tooth extracted, marking the beginning of a lifelong struggle with dental pain. His diaries and letters frequently mention aching teeth, inflamed gums, and ill-fitting dentures. Throughout his life, he spent considerable sums on dental care, including toothbrushes, teeth scrapers, denture files, and toothache medications. Washington's dental problems were not merely a personal inconvenience. They had significant implications for his public and private life. Regular references to dental issues appear in his communications, illustrating the chronic nature of his condition. Payments to dentists and purchases of dental care items are well documented, showing his relentless efforts to alleviate his suffering. Despite these efforts, Washington's dental health continued to decline, leading to the loss of his teeth and the need for dentures. One of the most enduring myths about George Washington is that his dentures were made of wood. This misconception likely arose because some of his dentures, particularly after they had been stained, took on a wooden complexion. However, wood was never used in the construction of any of his dental fittings. Washington's dentures were made from a variety of materials, including human teeth, cow teeth, ivory from elephants and hippopotamuses, and metals such as lead-tin alloy, copper alloy, silver alloy, and even gold. Washington's account books reveal that he bought 9 teeth from African Americans, paying 122 shillings. Whether these teeth were for his personal use or someone in his family is unclear, but it is important to note that the enslaved people likely had no real choice in the matter despite being paid. This practice, though shocking by modern standards, was not uncommon in Washington's time. The dental trade often involved the use of human teeth, sometimes obtained from the poor or deceased, to create dentures for wealthier individuals. During the Revolutionary War, Washington found a skilled dentist in Dr. Jean-Pierre Le Meilleur, a Frenchman who had previously served British officers. Le Meilleur, upset by derogatory remarks from a British officer about the Franco-American alliance, decided to offer his services to the Americans. He and Washington became close, with Le Meilleur often visiting Mount Vernon after the war. Washington's dental troubles were not only a personal issue, but also had significant historical implications. In one instance, a personal letter from Washington requesting dental cleaning tools was intercepted by the British. The letter, indicating that Washington had no plans to be in Philadelphia soon, misled British commanders into believing that American and French forces would not march south to Yorktown. This misunderstanding contributed to the British defeat at Yorktown, a turning point in the Revolutionary War. The relationship between Washington and Le Meilleur highlights the importance of dental care during this period. Le Meilleur's decision to join the American cause and his subsequent contributions to Washington's dental health underscore the interconnectedness of personal and historical events. The impact of Washington's dental problems on his leadership and military strategies is a fascinating aspect of his life that deserves greater attention. Despite all efforts to maintain his dental health, by the time Washington was inaugurated as the first president of the United States in 1789, he had only 1 tooth left. This tooth was eventually pulled in 1796 by Dr. John Greenwood, who had been providing Washington with dental care since 1789. Greenwood was so attached to Washington's last tooth that he kept it in a small glass display, which he hung from his watch chain. Greenwood provided 4 sets of dentures for Washington, each tailored to improve his comfort and appearance. However, ill-fitting dentures continued to cause significant discomfort and affected Washington's ability to speak publicly. Letters to Greenwood detail Washington's dissatisfaction with his dentures, which he described as already too wide and too projecting for the parts they rest upon, which causes both upper and under lip to bulge out as if swelled. In another letter, Washington noted that another set of dentures had the effect of forcing the lip out just under the nose. These letters offer a poignant insight into Washington's struggles with his dental health and his constant quest for relief. They also highlight the advancements and limitations of dental technology during this period. Despite Greenwood's best efforts, the dentures of the time were far from perfect, and Washington's experiences reflect the broader challenges faced by many individuals in maintaining their oral health. Martha Washington also wore dentures, although she initially had a magnificent set of teeth. By George Washington's second presidential term, Martha needed partial dentures and regularly urged her children and grandchildren to take care of their teeth, influenced by her and her husband's dental struggles. Martha's involvement in her family's dental health illustrates the broader societal attitudes towards oral hygiene during this period. While dental care was becoming more accessible, it remained a significant challenge for many. Martha's efforts to promote dental hygiene among her family members reflect a growing awareness of the importance of oral health, even as the available treatments and preventive measures were limited. Washington's dental problems were exacerbated by the medical practices of his time. Treatments like calomel, which contained mercury, and abrasive toothpaste made from tree bark and brick dust, likely contributed to the deterioration of his teeth. Despite his constant efforts to maintain his dental health, including regular purchases of dental care products and services, Washington's dental troubles persisted. The use of calomel and other harmful substances in medical treatments reflects the limited understanding of dental health during Washington's era. These practices, while intended to alleviate pain and treat various conditions, often had detrimental effects on patients' overall health. Washington's experiences highlight the need for improved medical knowledge and the development of safer, more effective treatments. Washington's dental issues affected his appearance and his ability to speak publicly. Ill-fitting dentures changed the shape of his jaw and mouth, causing his lips to bulge unnaturally. This made Washington self-conscious, and he often avoided public speaking. His letters to Dr. Greenwood detail his dissatisfaction with his dentures, which he described as already too wide and too projecting for the parts they rest upon, which causes both upper and under lip to bulge out as if swelled. In another letter, Washington noted that another set of dentures had the effect of forcing the lip out just under the nose. Washington's self-consciousness about his appearance and speech likely influenced his leadership style. He was known for his reserved demeanor and careful choice of words, traits that may have been exacerbated by his dental troubles. The physical discomfort caused by his dentures and the resulting impact on his public speaking abilities could have shaped his interactions with others and his approach to leadership. George Washington's dental history is a fascinating and often overlooked aspect of his life. His constant battle with dental pain and the high-maintenance nature of his dentures significantly impacted his daily life and public persona. The materials used in his dentures and the efforts he made to maintain his dental health provide a glimpse into the medical practices of his time and the personal challenges faced by one of America's most revered leaders. Washington's dental struggles were a microcosm of the broader challenges faced by individuals in maintaining their health during the 18th century. Despite the advancements in dental care and the expertise of dentists like Jean-Pierre Lemayeur and John Greenwood, the limitations of the period's medical knowledge and technology meant that many people, including Washington, suffered from chronic dental issues. The impact of Washington's dental problems on his life and leadership serves as a reminder of the importance of oral health and the need for continued advancements in medical science. As we look back on the life of George Washington, we gain a deeper appreciation for the personal struggles he faced and the resilience he demonstrated in overcoming them. Through this detailed exploration, we can better understand the complexities of Washington's life and the broader historical context in which he lived. His dental history, while often overshadowed by his political and military achievements, provides valuable insights into the personal challenges faced by one of the most influential figures in American history. Do well to like, share, comment, and subscribe as we bring you more intriguing historical stories.